Today, let's cook Ayam Masak Kicap simple, really fast to go with ayam goreng pandan, sambal ikan bilis, nasi lemak, telur rebus and cucumbers, and wait, this is the entire setup. So let's begin the recipe. So turmeric, ginger garlic paste and salt, half fry the chicken, and in this wok here, some garlic with the skin, add some sliced ginger, some sliced onions and saute until fragrant. Once you're done with that, you can add in some sliced tomatoes and also some beautiful large red chillies. Once you're done with that, take out the half fried chicken, not too much of oil, so make sure be careful. Give that a good stir, and then once you're happy, for about 2 to 3 minutes, you can add in kicap pekat or thick soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and also splash in a bit of light soy sauce, which is kicap cair. You can also add some salt to adjust and then add a splash of vinegar. This is a really quick, simple recipe that you can do in under 15 minutes. Also, make sure to add like 1 tablespoon or less of sugar and garnish with freshly sliced onion rings. Give it a good mix, and if you're happy with the thickness of the kicap gravy, your recipe is ready to serve. So try this quick recipe when you're making nasi lemak homemade. So what are you waiting for?